رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. I think the same answer, D.
Yes, B, D.
Next time, inshallah. And yeah, we have done it many times. So let's move ahead. And for pointers. So this is page 3, pointer 2. We're gonna start now. Example, rain, introduction. Second example, rain. A link with previous verses. Earlier, Allah gave the example of hardcore munafiqeen who will not come back to truth. Now, He gives the example of those who have some potential to come back. So let's recite first the ayah and verses of Mus'haf. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
أو كصيب من السماء فيه ظلمات ورعد وبرق.
أو كالصبي من السماء فيه ظلمات ورعد وبرق
يجعلون أصابعهم في آذانهم من الصواعق حذر الموت.
يجعلون أصابعهم في أذنهم من سوائهم هجر من الصواعق
حذر الموت.
هجر الموت.
والله محيط بالكافرين.
والله محيط بالكافرين.
أو means or. أو means or.
كصيب.
Ka means like. Ka like. Sayyib, a rainstorm. A rainstorm.
A rainstorm.
من السماء from the sky.
من السماء from the sky.
فيه within which ظلمات is darkness. Within which is darkness.
فيه which it is darkness.
ورعد وبرق. ورعد وبرق
ورعد وبرق.
رعد thunder and برق lightning.
And lightning.
So and thunder and lightning. يجعلون they put. يجعلون you remember مضارع. يجعلون they put أصابعهم their fingers. أصابعهم their fingers. آذانهم in their ears.
أصابعهم. Okay. يجعلون their finger. أصابعهم.
Their ears. في آذانهم in their ears. من الصواعق against the thunderclaps. Against the thunderclaps. Sharp, loud, and sudden clap of thunder with flesh, and is it if it is very close to you. من الصواعق against the thunderclaps. حذر الموت. حذر means fear. Al-maut, death. Hadar al-maut, in fear of death. In fear of death. Wallahu, and Allah is encompassing bil kafirin of the disbelievers. And Allah is encompassing of the disbelievers.
Allahu, and Allahu encompassing
of the disbelievers. This example can be understood the following way. Rainstorm, Islam. Rainstorm means here Islam. And darkness, thunder, lightning, thunderclaps, tough challenges from the enemies of Islam. Munafiqeen try to avoid the threats. They are too scared to follow the truth because of tough challenges. But they can't run away because Allah has full control on them. Okay, Kasayibin now. Question answer time. So Kasayibin, translate Kasayibin. Which option you gonna choose?
Oh, this one.
Like a thunder, like a rainstorm, like lightning, like a sky.
Okay. Like a sabir, like a thunder, like a okay, like a rain, like a rainstorm.
MashaAllah, correct answer. Ra'dun means thunder, rainstorm, lightning, or sky.
Rahadu.
A, B, C, D.
Okay, Rahadu. Okay, Kasabi, Tanda, Rahadu, Ustad. Tanda.
Ra'dun means?
Tanda. Rahadu means Tanda.
Ra'dun means thunder. Very good, MashaAllah. Ra'dun means thunder. As-sawa'iq. As-sawa'iq. Translate. A, the darkness. B, the lightning. C, the thunder. D, the thunder's claps. Thunder claps.
Sawa'ihi.
Sawa'iqi. Sawa'iqi.
Okay. Is the darkness, the lightning, the
yes,
the thunder clip.
The thunder claps.
Thunder clips.
MashaAllah. Perfect. Correct answer.
And I get scared.
Now, translate. Yaj'aluna. Yaj'aluna. You can select more than one because yaj'aluna is mudari'. Ja'alu madi. Yaj'aluna is mudari'. So, A, you put. B, they put. C, we put. D, they will put.
Oh, yaj'aluna.
Yes.
They put.
Okay.
They will put.
MashaAllah. Perfect. Perfect. Very good. Alhamdulillah.
Small.
There is, I think, your thumb in front of the camera. Okay. Yes. Alhamdulillah. So, next question is, the rainstorm is like Islam, challenge, threats, munafiq.
Challenge.
The rainstorm is like Islam, like challenges, like threats, like munafiq. Which one is correct? And which one you would like to choose? You're gonna select?
Okay, the rainstorm.
There's no rainstorm.
Islam.
MashaAllah, you crack it. Perfect. Good answer. Alhamdulillah. Yes. So this is Islam. Yeah, very good. The second example of a munafiq is like the one who, now you have to choose, like the one who learns the truth, walks in a storm, guides others, kindle a fire. Second example of a munafiq is like the one who learns the truth, walks in rainstorm, guides others, kindle a fire.
Munafiq like the one who Munafiq is like the one who walk in the rainy store when it was raining, in the rainy, walking in the rain.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Yeah, perfect answer. Perfect. So now let's recite. يكاد البرق يخطف أبصارهم.
يكاد البرق يخطف أبصارهم.
كلما أضاء لهم مشوا فيه.
كلما أضاء لهم مشوا فيه.
وإذا أظلم عليهم قاموا.
أظلم عليهم قاموا.
Yeah, qaf is heavy. Qaf is a heavy letter, and to pronounce a heavy letter, just you fill the inside area, and the back part of your tongue touches upper part, and it goes up. قاموا.
قاموا.
ولو شاء الله لذهب بسمعهم وأبصارهم.
ولو شاء الله لذهب.
Make lam of Allah heavy. Make heavy the lam of Allah. شاء الله.
شاء الله
لذهب بسمعهم وأبصارهم.
لذهب بسمعهم وأبصارهم.
إن الله على كل شيء قدير.
إن الله على كل شيء قدير.
MashaAllah. Enough. Let's do word for word meaning. Yakadu, the lightning almost. Yakadu al-barqu yakhtafu. Yakadu, almost. Al-barq, the lightning. So yakadu al-barq, the lightning almost. Yakhtafu, snatches away.
Almost. Yakhtafu.
Snatches away.
Snatches away.
Absarahum, their sight. Their sight. Yes.
Their side. Absal. What is their side?
You know, side means like you have eyes. So ayn means eyes. Aynun, eyes. And the power of eyes, like you can see by. You can see through. So that is called sight. Yes. كلما أضاء لهم. كلما, every time, whenever, every time. كلما, every time. أضاء, it flashes. It flashes. And you know, we have learned أضاءت earlier, means illuminated, flashed, فعل. It's a فعل ماضي. أضاء and أضاءت. أضاءت and أضاء. أضاء فعل ماضي. So فعل, فعلت. أضاء, أضاءت. لهم, for them. لهم, for them.
له, for them.
مشوا فيه, they walk therein. مشوا فيه, they walk therein. مشوا, they walk. فيه, therein. So mashaw is also fi'l mudari. Masha, mashaw.
Mashaw.
Yes.
They
Masha,
walk.
mashaw.
Mhm.
They walk. فيه, therein. وَإِذَا أَظْلَمَ, wa, and. إِذَا, when. أَظْلَمَ, darkness comes. وَإِذَا أَظْلَمَ, and when darkness comes. عَلَيْهِمْ, over them. عَلَيْهِمْ, over them.
And when darkness come, alayhim, over them.
قَامُوا, they stand still.
Qamu, they stand still.
Yes. So,
Okay.
alhamdulillah, we have done it. So, وَلَوْ شَاءَ اللَّهُ, وَلَوْ شَاءَ اللَّهُ, وَلَوْ, and if. وَلَوْ, and if. Shaa Allah, Allah had will.
If Shaa Allah,
Allah had will.
Allah had will.
لَذَهَبَ, he could have taken away. لَذَهَبَ, he could have taken away. بِسَمِعِهِمْ, their hearing. Their hearing.
He could have taken away. بِسَمْعِهِمْ, their hearing. Their hearing.
Yes. You know, we have ears, so we have a power of to hear something.
Yes.
So their hearing. وَأَبْصَارِهِمْ, and their sight. And you know, mashallah, well, what is the meaning of sight?
I'm sorry.
إِنَّ اللَّهَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ. إِنَّ اللَّهَ, inna, indeed.
Inna, indeed.
Inna, indeed. Allah, Allah. Inna Allah, indeed Allah.
Inna Allah, indeed Allah.
Ala kulli shay'in, is over all things.
Ala
kulli shay'in is over all things.
Qadir.
Competent.
Competent.
Yes, competent. MashaAllah. Yes.
Inna Allah ala kulli shay'in qadir. Competent.
Okay, so yakad al-barq yakhtafu absarahum. The challenges are very tough, especially for those munafiqeen. Kullama adaa lahum, they follow Islam only when it is easy for them, when it suits their desires, their work, their jobs, they feel satisfied when they follow, so they follow that time. They stop when tests or challenges come, or if they are required to make a sacrifice. If Islam demands a sacrifice from them, so they stop following. And yeah, they are scared and they are not going to follow if they are facing challenges. وَإِذَا أَظْلَمَ عَلَيْهِمْ قَامُوا وَلَوْ شَاءَ اللَّهُ لَذَهَبَ بِسَمْعِهِمْ وَأَبْصَارِهِمْ إِنَّ اللَّهَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ. Had Allah will, He would have taken away their hearing and sight, because they left the truth after knowing it. They left the truth. I mean, if you don't know anything, so it's okay, what are you doing? But if you know something and you are not following, you are not obeying knowingly, so that's a big punishable act. So they knew, and they just they recognized, and they knew everything about Islam and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but they denied. They did not accept Islam after they knew that. So He did not do so because He wants to give them a chance to correct their doubts and desires. Yes, that's why Allah would not take their hearing and their sights. Okay, munafiqs follow Islam only when it suits. You can choose more than one. Their desire, their works, their plans, their thoughts. Which one is correct?
I think you
follow
Islam. Okay, Munafiq follow Islam only when it suits their choose, their design, their design,
Okay. Perfect.
their work
Yes. MashaAllah.
is more.
Yeah, you can choose all of them if you think that
Their
yeah.
plan,
So you mean every you select all the options?
yes, their design.
Yes, mashallah. If you select, so that you are right. You are right, because
Yes.
all of these.
They
Now
like all this.
let's translate. Yes. 19 ayah. Or like a rainstorm from the sky, in which is darkness, thunder, and lightning. They put their fingers in their ears to keep out the stunning thunderclaps in fear of death. And Allah encompasses the disbelievers. Ayah number 20. Yakadul barq wa yakhtafu absarahum. The lightning almost snatches away their sight. Whenever it flashes for them, they walk therein. And when darkness covers them, they stand still. And if Allah had willed, He would certainly have taken away their hearing and their sight. Indeed, Allah has power over everything. For everything. Okay, now, let's do dua. Oh Allah, help me follow Islam in spite of challenges and difficulties.
In spite of Islam and difficulty.
A simple plan. Inshallah, I will try to be patient during the test of life.
The test of life.
Ameen ya Rabb.
Ameen ya Rabb.
Plan. Yeah, we have done asma now. Now you just see how many asma and af'al in this lesson. Asma is the plural of ism. Ism means noun. So asma means nouns. As-sama, the sky, and the plural is samawat. Zulmatun means darkness, and the plural is zulumat. So, yes. So zulumat is like alif is added before tha and it became zulumat. Usbu', asabi'. Isba'un is finger, and asabi' is plural. Udun is singular and azan is plural. You have hidden your camera. I mean, there is your finger. So udun, azan. Sa'iqatun, the plural is sawa'iq, against the rule, and it has already a rule, but we did not learn it still. So inshallah later, so on we will be learning inshallah later on. So sa'iqatun, sawa'iq. Basarun is singular, plural is absar. Basar is a singular and the plural is absar. Yes. Shay'un is singular and the plural is ashya. Shay'un is singular and the plural is ashya. Now let's do af'al. Af'al, 3 letter sound verbs. Fataha, nasara, daraba, sami'a. So be ready to think and to understand them. And yeah, with action. Ja'ala, pattern is fataha, yaftahu. Ja'ala, yaj'alu. So ja'ala is fi'l madi. Yaj'alu is mudari'. Ij'al, fi'l amr. Ja'il, doer. Ja'il. Maj'ul is the one who is affected. Maf'ul. So ja'il is fa'il and maj'ul is maf'ul. Ja'al means fi'l. Yeah.
Fair.
To put. Okay. Hadira, yahzaru. Hadira, bab sami'a. The pattern is sami'a. The 4th pattern we have. Sami'a, yasma'u. Isma', sami', masmu', sam. And the third one is khatifa yakhtafu is also sami'a yasma'u. Khatifa yakhtafu, ikhtaf, khatif, makhtuf, khatf. Yes, mashallah. And the last one is dhahaba yadhhabu. It's so simple. Fataha yaftahu. So idhhab, zahib, zihab. Okay, next one is three-letter weak verbs. Now, three-letter weak verbs we're gonna read now. So, mata is madi, yamut is mudari. Mata yamutu.
Yamutu.
Mut.
Mut.
And mayyit.
Mayit.
Maut. This is
Maut.
mayyit, maut.
Mayit, maut.
Yes, mayyit, maut.
No,
So, mata yamutu mautan and mut. So this is qala yaqulu means nasara yansuru. Nasara yansuru. And masha yamshi. Masha yamshi.
Yamsi.
Yes. This is hada yahdi. Hada yahdi.
Yeah.
Bab daraba yadribu. Bab daraba yadribu. Masha yamshi. Imshi mashin. Mashi.
MC, masi, masi.
Yes. Next. Qala yaqulu like qama. Qama madi and yaqum is mudari. Qama yaqumu.
Qama yaqum.
Yes. Qama yaqumu. Qum. Qaim. Qiyam.
Qum. Qaim. Qam.
Now just choose an option. I mean select any option. Three verbs keys of hadira yahdaru. Sami'a yasma'u. Hadira yahdaru. Three verbs key. I mean everyone should be verb.
Verb. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Hajira makhjur. Hajira makhjur.
There will be madi, mudari and amr.
Oh, hajiran yahjuru ihduru. Hajiran yahjaru ihduru. C.
Yeah. MashaAllah. Good answer.
Have three.
Yeah, perfect answer. فعل مضارع خطيفة. فعل مضارع خطيفة. خطيفة is ماضي. So فعل مضارع.
يعطف يعطف يخطف.
يخطف. Perfect. ما شاء الله. خطيفة يخطف.
خطيفة يخطف. Yes.
This is not يخطف. This is يخطف. خطيفة يخطف. باب سمع يسمع. I mean, I think this is wrong.
خطيفة يخطف.
Oh, sorry, this is not wrong. يخطف, you have also an option. So you have to choose خطيفة, the مضارع of فعل ماضي. خطيفة. يخطف 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 مخطوف. Oh, okay, we discussed.
يخطف.
Okay, plural of أسبوع and إصبع. Plural of, yes. Which one is the plural?
أصبحون. Oh, أصبح. أصبح.
أصابع. That is أصابع.
أصابع.
أصابع. MashaAllah. Oh, we have done 7 types of homework. You know well, MashaAllah. So may Allah help us recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Ameen ya Rabb. سبحانك اللهم بحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك.